I'm feeling okay. I definitely think, I could be feeling better under different circumstances. Yeah, I think that Coco played really well. Um, I don't think that was my best performance, ever. But I'm happy that I was able to bring out a certain level during the last few games. Yeah. I think at the end of the day, I definitely could have performed better today. But yeah, all things aside, at the end of the day, I think there's still definitely a gap in terms of level between me and Coco and other players of her caliber. So yeah, I think she did great, and my job is to try and close that gap, and I think I'm doing that quite well. So I'll keep working on it, and hopefully next time will be a bit tighter. Yeah. I think there was a completely different set of challenges here. I think each of those experiences were super special. So this week in Miami, everything was new there. It was my first time being in the semifinal of 1,000 and playing all these players. This is a new experience for me in terms of crowd, in terms of playing all the night matches. So in each circumstance, there's so many things that I can learn. So hopefully after this week, I grow more as a player.